Hi, my name is Mason Seek, and my project is about stem cells and overpopulation. Stem cells have the potential to cure diseases and correct disabilities. Stem cell research should receive more funding and attention to maximize its potential as a medical treatment. Stem cells are primitive cells with the capacity to divide and give rise to more identical stem cells, or to specialize and form specific cells of somatic tissues. Stem cells have multiple sources. Embryonic stem cells are the most effective and also the most controversial, as they come from fetal tissue and human embryos. They can also be pulled from the adult body, but are more limited and go through mitosis slower. Stem cells can be used in transplantation medicine for cell replacement therapies. They have clinical potential in tissue repair. Stem cells are also the potential cure for diseases like Parkinson's, stroke, arthritis, multiple sclerosis, heart failure, and spinal cord lesions. Opposing viewpoints slow down research and limit funding. A conceptionist view is the fetus is a person and their cells shouldn't be used, while people on the other side of the spectrum view it as a non-person without moral status. The dominant view in ethics, however, is the moral status of pre-implantation embryo is relatively low and that the instrumental use of these embryos can be morally justified. The second part of my project is on overpopulation. There are limits to how much food, energy, and water we can use without damaging the earth, and we've already surpassed that. Humanity's collective demands first surpassed the Earth's regenerative capacity around 1980. Today we have exceeded sustainable yields by over 50%. Money and time needs to be invested into population control to reverse the damage we are already doing to the planet. In order to support Earth's massive population, we use factories and machines to produce food and goods. These methods pollute the air with greenhouse gases that have made the average temperature increase 0.7 degrees Celsius since 1900. Average temperatures are projected to go up another 0.8 degrees by 2030. Droughts are worsened by global warming and overpopulation. Warming in the equator has already intensified drought conditions to 30 degrees latitude north and south. 11 million have died from drought in the last 100 years, 1.1 billion have no safe drinking water, and another 2.6 billion lack adequate water sanitation. Another problem caused by overpopulation is deforestation. It affects 74% of the land in North America and Africa. It results in erosion and loss of topsoil, which affects over 1 billion people. And it's part of the world's estimated 30% natural wealth loss between 1970 and 1995.